everyone, welcome to my class. I am teacher Aiden. In this lesson, you will learn how to add and subtract numbers with and without regrouping. In this video, you will learn how to add numbers with sum up to 1 million with and without regrouping. Subtract numbers where both numbers are less than 1 million with and without regrouping. Without regrouping means you can add digit in place value column without needing to carry over any value to the next column. Let's learn the addition sentence. These two numbers is called addends and the answer is called sum. Let's have a story problem. Sophia wants to buy pizza for 1,211 and chicken pops for 2,321. How many Sophia's buys in total? Let's answer. 1,211 plus 2,321. Let's start from the 1's digit place up to the 2,000 digit place. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Answer 3,532. Let's go to the with regrouping. With regrouping occurs when the sum of digits in a place value column is 10 or more. You carry over the extra value to the next higher place value. Let's have another story problem. Leah went to a bookstore to buy notebooks and pens for her school supplies. She bought 2,876 notebooks and 1,589 pens. How much items did Leah buy in total? And now let's add these three digits. 7 plus 8 plus 1 equals 16. Again, we will add carry over 1. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Plus 1 equals 14. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Plus 1 equals 4. The answer is 4,465. Subtract numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means you can subtract the digit in each place value column directly without needing to borrow from the next column. Let's learn the subtraction sentence. First number minuend, second number subtrahend, third number different. Story problem. Anna had 49,536 balloons for her birthday party. After the party, 17,234 balloons were left. How many balloons were left used during the party? Let's answer these two given numbers. Let's start from the one place value. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. The answer is 32,302. Subtraction numbers with regrouping. With regrouping, also known as borrowing, occurs when the digit in the top number is smaller than the digit in the bottom number for a given place value column, requiring you to borrow from the next column. Let's have a story problem. Jake had 45,672 apples in his fruit stand. In the morning, he sold 18,985 apples. How many apples does Jake have left? Let's subtract these two numbers. 2 minus 5, since 2 is lesser than 5, we cannot subtract this directly. So, in this case, we have to borrow 1 from the next place value digit, which is 7. So, 7 minus 1 is 6. And the 1 that we borrowed from 7 will be put beside 2. So, become 12. Since now 12 is bigger than 5, we will subtract these two numbers directly. So, 12 minus 5 is 7. 6 minus 8 cannot be. We'll borrow 1 from 6 and 6 become 5. And the one we borrowed from 6 will be put beside 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 minus 9 cannot be. We'll borrow 1 from 5 and 5 will become 4. And 1 we borrowed from 5 will be put beside 5 and 5 will become 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 4 minus 8 cannot be. We'll borrow 1 from 4 and 4 will become 3. We'll put beside 4 and it will be 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 26,687. Thank you for learning with me. Bye-bye!